Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to make a easiest kheer recipe which will be done under 15 minutes with very few ingredients which are readily available at home. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and let's get started. Soak 4 tablespoons of rice and 18 to 20 cashews for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, make a fine paste out of them, draining out the excess water. Take a heavy bottom kadai and add 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of water to it and bring it to boil. Now reduce the flame. Add the rice and the cashew paste which we have made. Simultaneously stir while adding the paste, because if you don't do this, you'll end up with lumps in it. Stir it continuously. It gets thicker gradually. Now add 1/3 cup of sugar. Here is a tip. Adding sugar in the end will avoid lumps. Now add a pinch of salt. Crush 2 cardamom seeds. Now add the cardamom powder. Stir it continuously and bring it to boil again. This is the perfect consistency. Garnish it with raisins and cashews which are fried in ghee. Switch off the flame now. Delicious kheer is ready to serve. See, this is how it becomes after it cools a bit. Try this recipe and do let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.